Okay. Then next our concept is we are in the dual nature of matter. The dual nature of matter. In dual nature of matter, we are in de Broglie equation. In de Broglie equation, we wrote yesterday. Actually, the wavelength lambda equal to inversely proportional to its momentum p. Or we can write this one: the lambda equal to h by p. H is a Planck's constant and p is a momentum of electron. We discussed already. Momentum the p equal to m the mass of electron into velocity. Okay. Therefore, lambda equal to h by mv also. Why? Because p equal to m into v. Okay. And according to Einstein equation, E equal to mc square. E equal to mc square. This we can write as a E equal to h nu, that equal to h into c by lambda, because of this is according to Planck's quantum theory. According to Planck's quantum theory. This we are assuming equation number 1. And next c equal to nu lambda. This is according to wave theory. This is according to wave theory. It came in electromagnetic waves. Wave theory. That means therefore this we can write as a nu equal to c by lambda. But according to Einstein, what is the formula according to Einstein? E equal to mc square. This is equation number 2. Now from equation number 1 and 2. Now from equation 1 and equation 2, mc square that equal to one name వచ్చిందమ్మా h into c by lambda. ఇక్కడ చూడండి h into c by lambda or mc that equal to h by lambda. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ ఒక c ఇక్కడ ఒక c క్యాన్సిల్ చేయొచ్చు. or p equal to h by lambda. Why? Because of momentum is nothing but ikkada momentum is nothing but mass into velocity. mc v anna velocity and c also same speed of light. Or this we can write as a lambda. Then lambda equal to h by p, momentum. So the final conclusion, it is clear from the above equation. So it is clear from the above equation. It is clear from the above equation that the value of lambda decreases, that the value of lambda decreases, that the value of lambda decreases on increasing lambda decreases on increasing either mass or velocity. Either mass or velocity or both. Mass or velocity or both. The wavelength of many fast moving. The wavelength of any fast moving. The wavelength of any fast moving objects, moving objects, like an aeroplane, this is aeroplane, AERO, an aeroplane or a cricket ball. An aeroplane or a cricket ball is very low. Its wavelength is very low because of their high mass. Because of their high mass. వాటికి మాస్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి వాటి వేవ్ లెంత్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. దట్ వాజ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ బై ది డి బ్రోగ్లీ ఈక్వేషన్. ఓకే, the finally p equal to h by lambda, lambda equal to h by p. P is nothing but momentum, mass into velocity. Okay, and next I am removing. Shall I remove it? And tomorrow onwards I will lock the meeting exactly 6:05. I will not allow to enter the class if you come late. Okay, I am removing this one. And next, Bohr's theory and de Broglie concept. Bohr's theory and de Broglie కాన్సెప్ట్. ఈ రెండింటికి కంపారిజన్ అమ్మా ఎట్లుంటాయి. బోర్స్ థియరీ అండ్ డి బ్రోగ్లీ కాన్సెప్ట్. సో హియర్ అకార్డింగ్ టు డి బ్రోగ్లీ, the first point, according to de Broglie, the nature of an electron the nature of an electron, the nature of an electron moving around the nucleus, moving around the nucleus, around the nucleus, like a wave, like a wave flows in, wave that flows in, wave, like a wave that flows in circular orbits around the nucleus. Circular orbits around the nucleus. So the revolving electron, it flows like a wave. Who told this one? De Broglie. And next, if an electron is regarded, if an electron is regarded, if an electron is regarded as a wave, as a wave, the quantum condition, the quantum condition the quantum condition as given by Bohr, as given by Bohr, in his theory, in his theory, is a readily fulfilled. అంటే అతను ఇచ్చింది కరెక్టే అన్నట్టు, బట్ he could not explain, but that what explained by the de Broglie. Fulfilled. If the radius of circular orbit, so if the radius of circular orbit is r, then its circumference means distance around the nucleus amma. Circumference will be 2 pi r, 2 pi r. If the radius of circular orbit, r అయిందనుకో, then its circumference will be 2 pi r. Circumference is nothing but distance around the nucleus. And next we know that actually according to Bohr theory, angular momentum, according to Bohr theory, what is that? mvr equal to nh by 2 pi. According to Bohr theory, MVR equal to NH by 2 pi. The momentum, the electron is quantized, or continuously, or 2 pi r equal to NH by P. Why it is NH by P? P is nothing but mass and velocity. Already we discussed before only. The mass velocity equal to P. That is nothing but momentum. P is momentum. NH by P. And here one more also we can write 2 pi r equal to n lambda. 2 pi r equal to n lambda. ఎందుకు n lambda రాస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ అంటే h by p that equal to lambda. According to this is de Broglie equation. De Broglie equation. Here n, where n equal to total number of waves. Total number of waves, that is nothing but one, it may be 2, 3, infinity amma. And lambda is wavelength, we know this already. Lambda equal to wavelength. Okay, so 2 pi r that equal to NH by MV or MVR equal to NH by 2 pi. Here MVR is MVR is nothing but angular momentum. Angular momentum. Angular momentum. So that is that's MVR that equal to angular momentum. This is angular momentum which is integral multiple of h by 2 pi. H by 2 pi. So the final conclusion, it is clear from above the description. It is clear from above the description. That according to de Broglie, that according to de Broglie, according to de Broglie, there is a similar between wave theory and Bohr theory. There is a similar. There is a similar between wave theory and Bohr theory. Okay, this is Bohr theory and de Broglie concept. Okay, actually, if the radius of r, the circumference will be 2 pi r. We know that according to Bohr's theory, mvr equal to nh by 2 pi. This 2 pi r equal to nh by p. ఎందుకు యాక్చువల్లీ h by mv రాసుకోవచ్చు, but mv equal to momentum p and 2 pi r equal to n lambda also. Why? Because h by p equal to lambda according to de Broglie equation. Okay, so what they have given both 2 pi r equal to nh by mvr, mvr equal to nh by 2 pi. So mvr is angular momentum. That mvr angular momentum, which is integral multiple of 2 pi h by 2 pi. This point came in Bohr's model. Okay, shall I remove this? The next concept, Heisenberg uncertainty principle. After this, we'll go with the quantum numbers. I am going to remove this page. Okay. And next, Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Now write down here. Bohr's theory consider n Bohr's theory considered an electron as a material particle, as a material particle, an electron as a material particle. Its position and momentum, its position and momentum, its position and momentum can be determined with accuracy. But when electron but when electron is considered in the form of is considered in the form of wave, in the form of wave, as suggested by de Broglie. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఏంది Bose model, what he told about the electron is a material particle. We can find the momentum position accurately. అది మెటీరియల్ పార్టికల్ అనుకుంటే, ఒకవేళ వేవ్ అనుకున్నాం అనుకో, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందో చూద్దాం. It is not possible to it is not possible to ascertain simultaneously the exact position and velocity and velocity of the electron more preciously at a given instant since the wave extends throughout a region of space అంటే we can't find the exactly position and the speed of the electron when it in the form of wave, if it assuming in the form of wave. Okay, if it is the material, we can find the speed, accurate speed and position. Okay, in 1927 Werner Heisenberg, the scientist Werner Heisenberg presented a principle known as Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Heisenberg uncertainty principle అంటే ఏం లేదమ్మా, పొజిషన్ స్పీడ్ ఒకటేసారి మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయలేమని చెప్తాడు అంతే. Heisenberg uncertainty principle which states that which states that it states that it is impossible to it is impossible to it is impossible to measure simultaneously the exact position and the exact position and exact momentum of position and exact momentum of a body as small as an electron. ఎందుకంటే it's having its wave theory, so we can't find the exact position and momentum of a body or electron. Okay, I am removing this one. I will give the one relation formula, that's it. This will be closer. Next tomorrow we will discuss about the quantum numbers. I'm going to remove this page, amma. We have only 1 point and we have only 2 minutes also. Only 2 minutes. So the uncertainty in measurement of position that is delta x, and uncertainty in moment moments that is delta p are related by write down this one, f into delta t into delta x greater than or equal h by 4 pi, or delta E total energy that into delta T h by 4 pi. This is the formula summa. When delta x equal to 0 and delta v is v equal to infinity, h is a Planck's constant, we know already. And that's it, write down or else take it screenshot. This is main formula. Tomorrow we'll start about the quantum numbers.